How to create a Facebook business page and grow it in 2023. Don't worry, it's easy and free to create a Facebook business page. What is a Facebook business page? You need a Facebook business page to run Facebook ads, open a Facebook shop, and use other Facebook commerce and promotional tools. How to create a Facebook business page in 7 steps. Step 1. Choose or create a personal Facebook account. Facebook business pages aren't the same as Facebook profiles or users. Step 2. Enter your basic information. Fill in your business information. Step 3. Complete your Facebook business page info. Follow the prompts to enter more details, like your business hours, website, phone number, and all that good stuff. Step 4. Add profile and cover photos. Grab our free Facebook page cover photo templates to spiff up your new page. Step 5. Add an action button. The action button at the top of your page serves as your main call to action. Step 6. Optimize your Facebook page. Create a custom URL. Besides being easier to link to, a custom Facebook page URL or username makes your page seem more legitimate to customers. Set yours under Settings, greater than General Page Settings, then tap Edit next to the username field. Step 7. Create a post. Here are 20+ social media post ideas and how to develop a content creation process. How to add an admin to a Facebook page. Step 1. Log in as your page. Log into Facebook, then switch to using Facebook as your page. Step 2. Go to your access settings. Step 3. Go to page access. Business account access. Grant access to a Meta Business Suite account to fully manage your page, add or remove administrators, and even delete your page. Learn more about when you should use Meta Business Suite. Step 4. Add a Facebook administrator. You can search for them by name or enter an email address to invite them. Step 5. Add a partner to your Meta Business Suite. You have to invite business partners by email address. How to delete a Facebook page. You can either temporarily deactivate your page, or delete it, by clicking your profile photo in the top right corner. Then going to Settings and Privacy, greater than Settings, greater than Privacy, greater than Facebook page information, greater than deactivation and deletion. Option 1. Temporarily deactivate your Facebook page. Comes with the ability to automatically reactivate your page after a set time. Option 2. Permanently delete your Facebook page. Alas, if your mind is set, choose Delete Page from Settings and Privacy, greater than Settings, greater than Privacy, greater than Facebook page information, greater than deactivation and deletion. How to easily manage Facebook pages. Meta, owner of Facebook and Instagram, has 2 native solutions to manage one or multiple Facebook pages, Meta Business Suite and Creator Studio. Optimized scheduling with best time to publish. Schedule your Facebook page posts and all your other social media content with Hootsuite. All your social accounts in one place. With Hootsuite, you can easily handle Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Pinterest from one dashboard and view all of your published and planned content in one clean content calendar. One inbox for comments and messages, from all networks. Your staff can reply to messages and comments everywhere from inside their Hootsuite dashboard. Easy, actionable analytics. Hootsuite Analytics gives your team the information they need to determine if a campaign is working while it's still happening, and if it's not, enough notice to salvage the damage. Social listening with streams. Streams can boost your engagement as well as tell you what people are saying about your company online, in real time. Facebook Business Page Facts. Is there a difference between a Facebook page and a business page? Facebook page and Facebook business page are two names for the same thing, a Facebook profile for your business. Is a Facebook business page free? Paid services, such as Facebook advertising and boosting posts, are optional. Can I separate my business page from my personal account on Facebook? Your personal Facebook account and Facebook business page aren't connected on Facebook, and won't be publicly listed on each other.